Today is Wednesday, May 6, 2020, and we are going into our social studies lesson. Today is the quiz, so we're going to do a little review. All right, we have the Great Lakes region with all of the states. These are the specific states in the Great Lakes region. We talked about them at length earlier in the lessons. So let's look here at the different states that are in the Great Lakes region. In a moment, I'm going to be talking about each state and their capital. So first we have Ohio. The capital of Ohio is Columbus. Then we have, here are all of the states again in the Great Lakes region. The next state we have is Indiana, and the capital is Indianapolis. Then we have Illinois. The capital is Springfield. The next state we have is Michigan, and the capital is Lansing. And we have Wisconsin, and the capital of Wisconsin is Madison. In order to remember each of the Great Lakes, we remember the acronym HOMES. HOMES stands for Huron, Ontario, Michigan, Erie, and Superior. Homes, sweet homes. All right, let's talk about a peninsula. A peninsula is a piece of land that is almost completely surrounded by water. Florida is an example of a peninsula. So one end of it is attached to land, the other three are surrounded by water. Italy is a peninsula. And if you remember reading the other day, we learned that Michigan has an upper and a lower peninsula. That it has an upper and it has a lower peninsula on it. So we're going to look at Superior. Lake Superior is the greatest, the largest freshwater lake in the world. Now we're going to move into the Mississippi River. The Mississippi River is part of this region too. And the Mississippi River goes through all of the states you can see on the map there. Right here, this map shows you a great starting point where it starts. And if you remember, the Mississippi begins in Minnesota and it travels down and it empties into the Gulf of Mexico. We learned that a tributary is a river or stream that flows into a larger river or stream or lake. Here's a great example of an aerial view of a tributary. Those little places breaking off into the big one are tributaries. The Ohio River is a tributary to the Mississippi River. All right, here we have lake effect snow. Lake effect snow is something that happens only in the Great Lakes region, and it creates snow when the cold air forms over the warm water. Number 1, Madison is the capital of which state? Find it in the drop-down box. Number 2, the word blank is used to remember the names of the Great Lakes. Wonders, Homes, Great. Number 3, Lake blank is not one of the Great Lakes. Huron, Wisconsin, Superior. 4, the state of Michigan has upper and lower lakes, peninsulas, halves. Question 5. The largest freshwater lake in the world is Lake blank. Huron, Wisconsin, Superior. Question 6. The only state in this region west of the Mississippi River is Minnesota, Wisconsin, Ohio. Question 7. The blank river forms the southern border of Ohio, Indiana, and Illinois. Use the drop-down box to find your answer. Question 8. The Mississippi River begins in the state of blank. Use your drop-down box to find your answer. Question 9. A river that flows into another is known as a blank. Use your drop-down box to find your answer. Question 10. Lake effect blank forms when cold air passes over the warmer Great Lakes. Use your drop-down box to find your answer.